What do you do when things go wrong? Oh, you sing a song.
This is a journey into sound.
Okay, everyone, places. So let's make this one count. And...
Number 1, please.
2. Sound.
3.
And his name is
Listen to them. Children of the night. What music they make.
You're playing too loud!
Squeal!
Wait for Audiosex. La 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 la, we're looking for the best. La 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 la, meet Beth on the door. La 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 la, she welcome you. With some candies, with some popcorn, we are happy on the web. We are skillful, but we're nice. We will never walk alone. Wait for Audiosex. Wait for Audiosex. Wait for Audiosex. Wait for Audiosex.
That is incorrect. Try again. It's one small step for man,
Betcha, won't ya, don't ya?
one giant leap for mankind.
Okay, well, bye.
That's all, folks.
Save self-destruct in 5 seconds.